Why did I decide to study an MBA? It's because I thought that an MBA is a must for me. First of all, being a pharmacist with a scientific background, who chose in order to go into the business sector of the pharmaceutical industry, I needed lots of support for my profession as a career and for my personal interest too. Audencia MBA program for me, it matched what I've been setting in my mind in order to have an international experience. An MBA experience with international exposure, because it helped me in order to get involved with French and non-French colleagues and professors for sure, and also the accreditation of the school itself and the set of the program, and plus the support that I got from the college in order to facilitate everything to regulations coming here and so. For me in the beginning it was quite notice change, of course, because I arrived during a period of before the school for a month almost, if we can say, and it was during Ramadan, and so there was a change in the food, of course, and the juice and the typical stuff that I used to get in my country. I had to search for a place to stay, everything that you need to be independent in, and in my country over there it was you're dependent upon your family. So it was quite exciting and an entertaining experience for me, practicing the language and having new relationships in general, if I can say.
Have you improved your French since you arrived in Nantes?
Yeah, sure. I improved a lot, if I can say, from my judgment, yes, because here you have to speak always in French, out of the school, of course, which is English here, the spoken language.